see if I can get it off.
Oh, yeah.
Nope. It's on there. I ain't trying any harder.
Okay, guys. So, next, we're doing pressure plate, clutch, and then she'll go in her home. So today we should have an engine back in the car. And we're actually working on 2 videos right now. This video, and like he said earlier, is 2J. Keep trying to get on him. We need more content for you guys. We don't want you guys to get bored. We want you guys to stay engaged. We want you guys to be like, hey, you guys really messed that up pretty badly. So we figured if we mess up the right way, you guys will share it, everybody will laugh, and we will get lots of watches. So that works for me. So that's why this guy was building a 2J turd, calling it toothless and shit.
It's all backyard build. I don't care enough.
I tell you what though, we can make this thing powerful. He just wants a Z.
What?
And I don't know why he got rid of the last 3 that he had. Well, I know why he got rid of one of them for sure. We've all had this situation. You got your dream car, or one of your dream cars, and something happens. Something comes up, whatever. So, apologize for all the talk in this video, but we got a lot to do. We're trying to keep you updated. I'm not supposed to eat these, but they're so good. Twizzlers.
Zero fat.
Yeah, 0 fat, that's right, yeah. So anyways, I think we're going to run up, see if we can get a tap for cast iron. Because the manifold, see what we got here. I drilled it, but the tap I got doesn't work. Obviously, the cast iron is a lot harder than the little cheap tap I got. So I'm gonna run up and try to get a cobalt or and I don't know the other thing they said to get, but I had to step it up to an M12. So we'll get that and maybe grab some lunch, and then we'll come back and get some more stuff done. We'll be back. Welcome back to day 2 of the engine install. Quick update. We have the clutch is on. That's pretty much the update for that. Heather's doing more nursery work. Austin is working on the bimmer. He got his exhausty all put up. All the way. Beep, beep, right back here. So, what happened, Austin?
Oh, the bolts came loose for the drive shaft, like all E46s do.
So they were like clunking?
Yeah, Kyle's was doing it too on his E46.
And that's what it was?
Exactly that.
Really?
They always gum loose, I don't know what.
No lock washers or anything?
No. So I'm gonna put Loctite on them.
Damn right. Loctite.
Can't come out.
So, can't come out. So, we're gonna see if we can't get this monster in here. Well, monster. It's a 3-liter. Woo. But you know what's funny though? 3-liter turbo. 3-liter maybe turbo. Oh, you're not a 3-liter. 2.5. Wah, wah, wah. That's cool. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, cool. So, let's see. This thing is hard to steer. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This is the boring part. Let's see what happened. How much stuff do we hit? Oh, where did we hit?
The tires?
Are we too low?
Yeah.
Daggum.
You wanna put it on the
Hold
dollar?
on. Let's put it on dollies. Hold on, I think. Just go. Whoops. Broken headlight.
No bueno.
We're going to jack up the front end a little bit. We'll be back.
Technical difficulties.
All right, Austin. So we just kind of just pushed a little bit. We want to see what we got here. We got to go back about 2 feet, foot and a half.
Yeah.
Make sure we don't hit these.
You don't want to remake those?
No, I do not want to remake those. All right. It's pushing the car back. Yeah, guess we are going to have to jack it up. Damn. All right. Take 2. All right, car's on dollies. Should have enough room. Oh, look, we have enough room. I gotta go. Watch your hands. All right, I'm gonna come down a little bit. And just come towards you. Line up the I think we might not be able to go in, so we gotta line up the dowels. Problem is, I can't see them.
It has to go your way more. Oh, I was close.
Let me see.
You can see half of the fucking. Okay, maybe a quarter of it. I got the pry-bar over here. Yeah, my little nut.
Anything look shot to you? No, it's okay.
Do the bottom thing here. I got it pretty close.